Student, today we are going to discuss information system failures and causes. So, the system failure refer to the system stoppage and accident that do not allow a system to run correctly. So, this is system failure. For correct functioning of the information system, it is essential to provide timely, accurate, and relevant information to the user or customer. Yes, exactly. If that customer has value on that organization or system, so this is the responsibility of that organization to provide the timely and corrective relevant information to the user. Okay, so the any failure which is inadequately performing its function is nothing but the is failure. The results of an IS failure can prove fatal for productivity and may lead to the significant drop in the organizational success curve. Okay, take the example. Suppose any problem in the server of an organization which is result in the waste of productive working hours. Yes, exactly. If total server is failure, database server is failure, so there is nothing, there is no any meaning of uh, working. Okay, because totally this information which is to be stored in the database. So there are several reasons that can lead to a system failure. Incorrect requirement realization. It refers to the incorrect assumption about the system requirement. A system required for quality management should be able to evaluate quality on all the set of parameters. At the time, the software developed does not match the requirement and result in the system failure. So this is the first IS failure and causes, that is incorrect requirement realization. Second one, insufficient system development practice. It referred to the inefficiency of a system developer. At the time, the system development life cycle fails to perform a proper system testing, which result in the failure such as system stoppage or slow in processing or failure in the system. This is the second one, that is insufficient system development practice. Untrained or poor system usage. It refers to an improper user interface. Yes, if you wanted to your system or your any organization uh, grow in the market, so your website, your app must be user friendly. Okay, if the any untrained user can harm to produce undesirable result which is using in the is, that is information system. So poor users may cause internal or external system damage. Second one is system damage. So it refer to the harming the system physically or with the help of software. This can be intentional or unintentional, that can result in unproductive function or non-functioning of the information system. For example, a mouse may cut the wiring in the local area connection causing system damage. So there are different causes also there, that are it referred to the unforeseen situations such as network failure, network congestion, improper electricity support, and inefficient backup of the system that can result in the system failure. So these are these few causes, or what we can say that few system failure reasons, that are incorrect requirement realization, insufficient system development practice, untrained or poor systems usage, system damage, and other causes. So these are the things which are related to the IS failure and causes. Thank you.